Conditional formatting. How it works in MS Excel.
While using MS Excel at times, we require to highlight all those column cells which contain exactly same value for visualizing data analysis and trends very easily. For this, we use a utility in MS Excel, which is known as conditional formatting. Conditional formatting utility is placed in Home tab. Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how conditional formatting is used in MS Excel to highlight cells based on specific criteria, making data analysis and trends easier to visualize. Let's take an example. In this sheet, you have to highlight all those cells which contain only German as official language of a country. First, highlight the column on which you want to apply conditional formatting. Here, official language data is available in column E. After selecting column E, click Conditional Formatting option. From all options, click Highlight Cell Rules and then equal to. A dialog box will open. Enter the value you want to highlight, for example German. You can set the color of cell as per your liking. However, default cell color cell is light red with dark red text. Now press OK. You see in column E all cells containing only German as official language are highlighted in red color. Now apply filter on column E by pressing Ctrl, Shift and L button together and go to filter by color option and then filter by cell color. Now Excel will show you those cells which have only German as official language of a country. If you want to clear conditional formatting from Excel sheet, go to Conditional Formatting tab, go to Clear Rules and then click on Clear Rules from entire sheet. All conditional formatting will be cleared from that Excel sheet. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for notification of latest videos. See you soon with more exciting tips and tricks videos.